Hello, good morning, my dear students. As we were learning about the poem The Trees, 8th number poem, The Trees. It's two stanzas I explained in the last video, and these two last stanzas today in this video I am going to explain. Please try to understand. I sit inside, doors open to the veranda, writing long letters in which I secretly mention the departure of the forest from the house. The night is fresh, the whole moon shines in the sky, still open. Here the poetess says, I sit inside, doors open to the veranda. She says, the poet sits inside the house. The doors of the house which open to the veranda. Writing long letters. What she is doing? She is writing long letters in which she doesn't mention the departure of the forest from her house. This line says the same meaning to us, in which I secretly mention. Who is I here? I is the poetess, in which the poetess secretly mentions the departure of the forest from the house. She is writing long letters in which she doesn't mention the departure of the forest from her house. The night is fresh, the whole moon shines in the sky still open. The night is fresh and the whole moon shines in the sky still open. The poetess is indicating here a possible rebellion against man by nature present in her house in the form of trees. The plants, etc. growing here. In this stanza, this is the main thought of the poet. Now in the second and last stanza, listen. The glass is breaking. The trees are stumbling forward. Stumbling means falls, striking something. लड़खड़ाकर गिरना. She says to listen to the voice of the leaves and lichens struggling to go out of the house. She asks us to listen to the trees which are struggling to go out of the house. Winds rush to meet them. The moon is broken like a mirror. Its pieces flash now in the crown of the tallest oak. These sounds will not be there in the morning. Which sounds? Sounds of trees. As the tree will move out of the house to the forest in the night. The poet can hear the glass breaking due to the efforts of the twigs. She can hear the sound of glass breaking due to the efforts of the twigs. Twigs means branches of the trees. As the glass breaks, the trees are stumbling outside. जैसे से ग्लास या कांच टूटते हैं और पेड़ उनसे टकराते हैं और बाहर निकलने की पूरी जद्दोजहद कोशिश करते हैं, and get struck at different places as they go outside. The winds rush to meet them. The winds rush to meet them. The trees are also so long that they have broken the moon into pieces like a broken mirror. And the moon is broken like a mirror. Why it is broken? This is broken by the tall trees like oak. Oak trees की वजह से मून के भी टुकड़े कर दिए जाते हैं. The moon seems broken into pieces due to these tall trees coming in between and the surface to the earth. It is only imaginary of the poetess that moon is broken by the oak trees, which are long, which are tall trees. It is not in real fact. मून कभी टूट के आ सकता है क्या, या पेड़ इतना लंबा हो सकता है क्या कि वो मून के से जाके टकरा जाएगा, लेकिन उसको ऐसा महसूस हो रहा है. द मून नाउ सिट्स लाइक द क्राउन्स ऑफ ऑन द हेड्स ऑफ द टॉल ट्रीज. वन कैन सी इट ब्रोकन ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ टॉल ट्रीज देयर एंड द फुल मून. इस तरह से इन लंबे वृक्षों के और पृथ्वी के धरातल के बीच आने से चंद्रमा टुकड़ों टुकड़ों में टूटा हुआ सा प्रतीत होता है. चंद्रमा अब क्या उन पेड़ों के सर पर एक ताज की तरह बैठा हुआ दिखाई देता है. लंबे पेड़ों की उपस्थिति और पूर्ण चंद्रमा के कारण कोई इसे टूटा हुआ देख सकता है. सो आई फिनिश्ड दिस poem, The Trees, and make notes, and you can do its question answers in your notebooks, and it is sufficient for today. Stay home, stay safe, wear mask and use sanitizer whenever you go out and come from outside. And moreover, if it is very compulsory to go out of your homes, you can go, but when it is not compulsory, you should stay home and take care of yourself, take care of your youngers and elders. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.